Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to export Webm videos using Adobe Premiere and Media Encoder. So let's get started. I am in the Media Encoder. If I click on this drop-down menu, you can't find Webm format here because Adobe does not support the Webm format natively. To get that, you have to install a plugin. So open any browser and search for Webm Adobe plugin. And click on the first link. Here, if you are using a Mac, you can download the DMG file, or for Windows, you can download the exe file. Once the file is downloaded, open it and install the plugin. After that, close the Media Encoder and reopen it again. If you click the drop-down menu, you can see the Webm format. You can adjust the settings and export it. And that's how you can export Webm videos using Media Encoder. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.